This was an attack, first and foremost, against Jews, targeted simply for who they are. But it was also an attack against our shared values, the values that underpin the very fabric of a moral free society. Part of me felt, and I know many in Britain would share this view, that it was inevitable there would be a fatal attack. The rise in hatred against Jews over the past couple of years there has been evident to anyone watching. There's been an unrelenting wave of hatred expressed on the streets, on university campuses, across social media. Many of the Jewish community here have been worried for some time now, because we've seen similar hatred against Jews fester here in Ireland over the past 2 years. And the graffiti and the antisemitism and the vile hate online is appalling. But if we could guarantee that things would stay non-physical, that would be one thing. But who can guarantee that?
Do you suspect there's people who go along to protest, with all the goodwill in the world, and they maybe are, they begin to chant globalize the intifada or from the river to the sea, and they just think of it as a kind of a protest in solidarity with Palestinians rather than anything else.
Yeah, and I've got no doubt that many people go to these protests with all the goodwill in the world, but I would ask them to take a good look at the people standing to their right and to their left, and at some of the slogans that they're chanting or the placards that they're holding up, and ask actually, what do those slogans mean, and what do the people chanting them mean when they say them?